These are the biblical playing cards from 1924 US, an extremely high-quality GSM playing card set where Christian has spent what was probably countless hours drawing vintage-style characters and imagery from some of the greatest stories in the Bible. The cards are an off-white with a gold foil trim that matches the gold on the tuck box, so there's no doubt you'll have that premium feel in your hands. This is the perfect addition for any playing card enthusiast to add to their arsenal. And whether you're just playing with family and friends or by yourself, you're sure to have an added element to the game by getting lost in the detail of these cards. I mean, just look at some of the amazing illustrations on these face cards. Each one is extremely unique, telling an important lesson or showing you key moments from stories in the Bible. So I promise that this playing card set is going to over-deliver above and beyond what you're thinking. I was able to secure this as a pre-order through the 1924 US website, and while it did take a while to get here from Australia, I had absolutely no problem with that. And in fact, Christian even threw in this really awesome small notebook here, which was a surprise, as well as this super high quality vinyl sticker. So you are not going to be displeased if you're thinking about picking up this playing card set. You can get your own at the 1924 US website, which I have linked down in the description. Don't forget to check out some of their other amazing work. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one.